If you've used Seamless.ai, you've probably noticed this. A credit gets used up even when the lookup finds nothing. There's no result, but the credit is still gone because you're paying for the attempt, not the actual email or phone number. On the basic plan, that's around $147 a month for 250 credits, and those credits disappear whether the search works or not. Link Finder AI works differently. You only spend a credit when a lookup returns real data. Before we start, go to the video description and click the first link to access Link Finder AI. Then create a free account by clicking Start Free Trial. No credit card needed, and you get free credits to start. Let's start with the basics. Give Link Finder AI a name and a company, Sarah Johnson at Salesforce, and it finds her LinkedIn profile URL directly. Now here's where it gets useful for outreach. Take that LinkedIn URL and ask Link Finder AI for a phone number instead. In a few seconds, you get a direct, verified phone number tied to that exact profile. No separate tool, no guessing which number is current. Once you're past single lookups, switch over to Upload CSV Bulk. Drop in a CSV of LinkedIn profile URLs, up to 10,000 rows, and Link Finder AI enriches every row with an email address the same way. When it's done, click Export, and you've got your finished list, without babysitting each one individually. And if you want this wired into your own systems, Link Finder AI has a full API, endpoints like LinkedIn profile to email and LinkedIn profile to phone, both synchronous, both 1 credit per successful result. Grab your API key from the API Access section and call it directly from your CRM or your own scripts. That's the real difference. Seamless.ai charges you for trying, Link Finder AI charges you for results. If you want to try it yourself, the link's in the description, and you get free credits to start.